Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Sean. This is UCM Pigs Moto Vlogs, and I'm out on a road trip. That's right, I've been out this weekend, just starting to rain. Great. Been riding all day today, and we're heading into the little town of Staunton, Virginia. This is the town that I've made my base camp while I'm out here. I've been riding out in West Virginia all day today. I wanted to come through town because it's a really cool town and do a little short video here. And I've got another video of my ride today. We'll break that up. We'll do another separate video, but I just wanted to show you guys this town in a little video and where I'm going to. There's a couple interesting places here. Last night I came down to a really nice brewery, and right across the street was a cidery. So that's where I'm going to this evening. I'm going to go over to the cidery. I think they have a food truck, and maybe get a flight of ciders and see what they got in the food truck. So here we are. This is historic Staunton, Virginia. Now, I don't know a lot about this town. It's historic. It's old, obviously. You can take a look at some of these buildings. It is a college town, so there's a small college here. And I think that kind of adds to the charm of this town because it seems like they've reinvigorated it. There's a lot of coffee shops. Like I said, a craft brewery. There's a couple, I think. And then this cidery and restaurants. So it's kind of got a cool feel here. It's just a cool little town. So we're going to scoot up here. I believe the name of the cidery is like Ciders from Mars or something like that. Got a little spaceshipy thing going on. That's a pretty cool building there. Looks like that might be the courthouse. But like I said, I looked over there last night and it looked interesting, so I'm going to go check it out right now. So while we're enjoying downtown historic Staunton, I'll tell you about my rides today. Oh my gosh, y'all. I found some phenomenal roads out in West Virginia. Well, it's not like I found them. I'm not the first person to ride them. But Highway 250, Highway 33, Highway 32. Basically, I was out around Seneca Rocks, Blackwater Falls, Elkins. Just fantastic roads. All right, there's the brewery right there, Red Beard Brewery. And they're having some kind of a shindig. And then right over here, Ciders from Mars. That's where we're going. And I don't see a food truck. Alright, so I lied. I'm getting ready to head over to the cidery right now because this brewery right here is having their 10-year birthday. So I was just in there, got a beer, and seeing what that's all about. It's Red Beard Brewery here in Staunton, Virginia. So let's head over here to Ciders from Mars. All right, y'all, so this is Staunton, Virginia. The sun's starting to go down, so that means it's time for me to go back to the hotel because there's nothing for me after dark. But just wanted to show you guys Staunton, show you some cool little spots here. The Red Beard Brewery and the ciders from Mars. So I need to go find me something to eat. I think I'm probably just gonna swing in the Sheets again. Yeah, they need a Wawa out here. This sheet stuff ain't cutting it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. I hope you have a great weekend coming up. And until we talk again, you guys be careful. You guys be safe. Always keep your shiny side up. And we'll talk to you next time.